A groundbreaking Harvard study followed nearly 50,000 people for over 30 years to see how different types of protein affect aging. The findings show that both how much protein you eat and what kind of protein you choose are crucial. In this video, I'll share the key findings from this comprehensive study and explain how you can use this information to enhance your longevity, cognitive function, and overall health. I'll answer the following 6 questions that the study addresses. 1. How much protein should I eat? 2. What's the healthiest protein to eat? 3. Why does this study matter? 4. What's great about this study? 5. What did this study miss that I should know about? And 6. How do I put this to use in my life? Let's dive in. Not all proteins are created equal, and understanding which types are most beneficial can help us make better dietary choices. The main goal of the Harvard study was to evaluate the long-term effects of dietary protein intake on healthy aging. The researchers wanted to see how different sources of protein, such as plant-based and animal-based, impact our health as we get older. So how'd they do it? The study involved nearly 50,000 female participants from the Nurses' Health Study cohort. These women were under 60 years old at the start of the study in 1984. The researchers collected detailed dietary information using validated food frequency questionnaires, which helped them assess the participants' protein intake over time. The study defined healthy aging as being free from 11 major chronic diseases, having good mental health, and not experiencing impairments in cognitive or physical function. This definition was assessed using participant questionnaires in 2014 or 2016. The 11 major chronic diseases measured for were 1. Cancer, excluding non-melanoma skin cancer. 2. Type 2 diabetes. 3. Myocardial infarction. 4. Coronary artery bypass graft surgery or percutaneous transluminal coronary angioplasty. 5. Congestive heart failure. 6. Stroke. 7. Kidney failure. 8. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. 9. Parkinson's disease. 10. Multiple sclerosis. 11. Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. To understand the data, the researchers used a method called multivariate logistic regression models. This method helps to figure out the chances of healthy aging based on how much and what types of protein people ate, while considering other factors like lifestyle, age, and health habits. Here's what the study found. The Harvard study revealed some fascinating insights about how different types and amounts of protein can affect healthy aging. The study found that eating more protein was linked to a better chance of aging healthily. Let's dive into the details. Total protein consumption. For every 3% increase in calories from total protein, the odds of healthy aging went up by 5%. Animal protein. For every 3% increase in calories from animal protein, the odds of healthy aging went up by 7%. Dairy protein. For every 3% increase in calories from dairy protein, the odds of healthy aging went up by 14%. Plant protein. For every 3% increase in calories from plant protein, the odds of healthy aging went up by a significant 38%. So while increasing your overall protein intake is beneficial, plant protein stands out with the highest impact on healthy aging. Plant protein not only increased the odds of healthy aging the most, but it was also linked to better physical function and mental health. The study also explored what happened when people replaced some of their animal protein, dairy protein, carbs, or fat with plant protein. They found that making this switch significantly boosted the odds of healthy aging. For every 3% of calories from plant protein that replaced these other nutrients, the odds of healthy aging improved by 22 to 58%.
Are you tired of the conflicting health advice online? Hard to tell what's real and what's BS? Get free, evidence-based health and longevity tips in the time it takes to drink your coffee. Visit healthspansecrets.com/subscribe.
So what makes this a good study? This Harvard study is solid for several reasons. 1. Huge number of participants, nearly 50,000 participants, make the findings strong and reliable. 2. Long study period. Over 30 years of data provide insights into long-term effects and trends. 3. Accurate data collection. Validated food frequency questionnaires ensure reliable dietary data. 4. Comprehensive definition of healthy aging. Includes being free from major chronic diseases, good mental health, and no cognitive or physical impairments. 5. Strong data analysis. Detailed statistical methods account for various lifestyle and health factors. 6. Reputable institutions. Conducted by prestigious institutions like Harvard and the USDA Human Nutrition Research Center on Aging. 7. Broad implications. Findings guide better nutritional recommendations and inform dietary choices. So what's the study missing? While the study provides valuable insights, there are a few important factors it didn't fully cover. 1. Fiber in plant-based proteins. The study didn't separate the benefits of fiber from those of plant proteins. This leaves one guessing if fiber played a huge role. 2. Different plant proteins. They grouped all plant proteins together, not differentiating between sources like beans, lentils, and nuts. 3. Types of animal protein. Didn't detail the differences between chicken, fish, red meat, and processed meat. 4. Different dairy products. Mixed results without specifying which types of dairy are best. 5. When and how much you eat. Did not explore timing of meals or caloric balance. Eating in a calorie surplus, more than your body needs, or a calorie deficit, less than your body needs. Despite these gaps, the study clearly shows that a higher protein diet is linked to longevity, with plant proteins offering the most substantial benefits. So how do we tie this all together? Here are 9 tips for putting the insights from this study into practice and improving your diet for healthy aging. 1. Embrace plant-based proteins. Include a variety of plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. 2. Mix it up. Include a mix of protein sources from meat and plants for a broader range of nutrients. 3. Smoothie solutions. If you find it challenging to get enough protein from whole foods alone, consider making protein-rich smoothies with whey or plant protein powders, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. 4. Monitor your health. Track your protein intake and health markers with regular blood tests and nutrition apps. 5. Plan your meals. Plan meals ahead to ensure balanced protein intake. 6. Stay hydrated. Check urine color for hydration. Use a water bottle to track daily intake. 7. Exercise regularly. Include resistance training and cardio to support overall health. 8. Manage your caloric intake. Adjust caloric intake based on your goals: muscle building, fat loss, or maintenance. 9. Balanced diet. Ensure a well-rounded diet with a good balance of macronutrients and antioxidants. By incorporating these practical tips into your daily routine, you can take full advantage of the findings from the Harvard study. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy aging and longevity. You can find more details about the Harvard study and additional resources in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.